I'm assuming Lisa doesn't need to climb up.
All right. Oh yeah, you're way over the weight limit.
See what I mean? He's just doing this because all of you are here.
Use the other side of the ladder.
I'm safe here.
Lowe's.
She won't kill me in front of you.
David, it's from Lowe's. David goes
Maybe
to
it's
Lowe's
just
like
the box.
every other day.
It's in the plane.
Huh?
At the top.
She says to go to the top. She must know something about this. Who told you?
Oh, thanks.
Mom, who told her? Is there somebody in there? Is Aaron in there, Dana?
Awfully hot. Yeah.
We've been really quiet.
He was in Iraq. He can handle it. That's true. He wouldn't do this in school. Or breathe.